Oh my god, what is wrong? Okay. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing a second review on the Royal Kludge 60% keyboard. So I'll just be going through the different kinds of colors on the keyboard, but let me turn off the lights real quick. Okay, turned off the lights. Now it's a little bit more better. So here's just the standard one, all blue. But I did look up online how to change the colors, but I realized you can only do that in PC, but I'm on PS4. So let's just go on to the different colors. So this is a standard one. Definitely my favorite one because I do not like any of the other colors. So this is the standard one. Here's one. I'm just doing this. Yeah. But if you're on PC, it will change different colors. But I'm on PS4, as you know. Oh yeah, I also forgot to tell you that these keycaps are like, it kind of feels like it's texturized. So yeah, I got the newer one because I heard in the other one there should be like a red light down there and it's like really bad, but that was like a year ago. But yeah, so there's this setting, just doing this, and this one is just the light is going here and it's just restarting. This one can't really tell if it's going in. Yeah, I think it's going in circles. This one is going to the opposite, I think, but also going in circles. This one, what? Yeah, just flickering, but I do not like that. This one, I think it's kind of doing, well, I don't even know what's, oh, it's going from the middle, and each side is going this way, for the colors. This one is okay, flickering more. This one, as you can see, it's just changing rows. Just the LEDs are going in, all the keys in each row. This one, I actually kind of like this. I don't know how to call it, but yeah. This one is, it's kind of like the other one, but a little different. This one, every time you press a key, it kind of lights up, just like this. Like that. And this one is kind of the same, but every time you press a key, it turns off. One of the last ones, I don't think this is the last one, but this is also pretty cool. Just like this. This one, this is also pretty cool. So look, every time you press a key, it goes the opposite way, kind of. But if you press in the middle, it goes in both ways. And this is look, this one is kind of the same, but this one is just doing in one row. See, every time you press a key in one row, it goes to the other way. This one is the same, but a little different. I don't know how to call it. Yeah. This one, yeah, so we reached, so in total there's like 17 different kinds of styles. So I'm just gonna close my window a little bit for better lighting. Not better lighting, but you know. There, you could kind of see a little better. So what I like about this keyboard is the space bar. The space bar is not even rattly. Look, so this is, right here is a little bit rattly. Middle, kind of the same. So the key, the space bar I love. Try the shift. The shift is also kind of good. Pretty good, yeah. This one is like really good. Try the side. So enter is really good. Try back the backspace. Also really good. Try this one. Still the same. So this is what it kind of, I'm just gonna try to demonstrate it. This is what's gonna kind of sound like when you're playing a game. I don't really know, but this is, yeah, it's kind of gonna sound like that if you're playing Fortnite. It is really quiet. Why I like the red switches is because you can only hear, like the only part you hear about the switch is when you press it all the way down when the key is touching. Look like this. Look, I'm gonna go halfway. You can kind of hear it, but if you lube it, it will be so silent, even though it touches. So this is just another short one. But sadly you cannot connect these to phones and iPads and stuff. You can only connect it to like the consoles, Xbox, PS4, PS5, PC and stuff. You cannot connect it in those. Like, I think you can connect it in like the gaming stuff, but you cannot connect it in Chromebooks, like totally. So this is how you put it in wireless. So right now it's charging my wall because it's charging. It's always charging basically, but if it's wireless, it's using it up. So you just take the plug off first. Okay, it's kind of hard, but there. Now it just turns automatically off, of course. You go in the back. It's kind of hard to see, but you just put it in the opposite way. It says off and it says on. Put this on and the lights will go back on again because it's using the battery from all the way down here. Look, I'm going to demonstrate why you cannot go into wireless on the thing. So yeah, so you go down here, of course, for a Chromebook. I'm gonna press Bluetooth, searching. That's just one of my Bluetooths for the thing. So this is how you do it. You press FN, you press Q, W, and E, just like this. Oh no, wait. It's gonna then it's gonna start flickering, and it should show up here, but it's not. It's only gonna show up in your PS4, PC, or Xbox. Because I already tried wireless for my PS4, but it did work, but it cannot work. I tried on phone and iPad and stuff. Yeah. So this has been charging for 2 hours, I think, 2.5 hours. It's done charging for 2 hours. So I heard it can last like 2 days without touching it, and it dies. But if you're playing it, if you're like a gamer and you're playing it, it may last like I don't know how much hours, but like at least 7 hours. But so this is done charging. Here's the port for the attachment. Oh my god, I cannot talk. So you just plug into like an iPhone charging thingy. I don't know what to call it, but These are not floating keycaps. I think they're not floating keycaps. I don't know which one, but so as you can see, it's kind of like going down. It's dipping down. That's the style of the keyboard. So this is gonna be my second review. I don't know if I'm done yet, but let's see. See back here, nothing. Yeah. So if you want to take off and you want to like get a new battery, just unscrew this, unscrew that. Yeah, there's 4 screws in the back where you can unscrew it. Gotta carefully remove it, and you see everything. And if you do not want to, if you want to make your keyboard better, then you do all those stuff by taking the plastic off everything. So that will be the end of my second review for the keyboard, and I'll see you guys in the next video.